In this video, I'm going to showcase my modular light function that I have developed in Unreal Engine 4. For those unfamiliar with light functions are essentially shaders that can be applied to a variety of light types inside of the engine. This particular light function that I have created allows you to add a pulse and flickering effect to a light. You also have the option to enable a light texture, which is a normal texture projected from the light source. This shader has 22 exposed parameters divided into 3 categories. These parameters allow you to control various properties of the modular light function. The speed parameter controls the pulsing and flickering speed. The strength parameter controls the pulsing and flickering strength. The bias parameter controls the pulsing and flickering bias. This is used in conjunction with the scale parameter. The scale parameter controls the pulsing and flickering scale. This is used in conjunction with the bias parameter. The min parameter controls the minimum light value of the pulsing and flickering. The max parameter controls the maximum light value of the pulsing and flickering effect. The invert parameter inverts the pulsing and flickering effect. The enable flickering parameter overrides the pulsing effect with a flickering effect. The enable texture parameter enables the use of a texture. The disable pulsing parameter disables the pulsing and flickering effect. The texture parameter controls the overlay texture. The texture opacity parameter controls the texture opacity. The tiling and offset parameter controls the UV tiling and offset. The red and green channels are used for the tiling, and the blue and the alpha channel are used for the offset. You can also use negative values to flip the UVs. The rotation parameter controls the rotation angle and the anchor point position. The red channel controls the angle, the green channel controls the anchor point on the U-axis, and the blue channel controls the anchor point on the V-axis. Use degrees for the rotation angle. The mask parameter allows the user to enable or disable texture channels. The red, green, blue, and alpha channels can be used. The invert texture parameter inverts the texture. The enable animation parameter enables a panning animation. The animation speed X parameter controls the panning animation speed on the X-axis. The animation speed Y parameter controls the panning animation speed on the Y-axis. The enable rotation animation parameter enables a rotation animation. The animation rotation speed parameter controls the rotation animation speed. The enable world align texture parameter enables world space tiling.